Hello, my dear kids. So, today we are going to start a new topic, animals around us. The most interesting topic, I guess, for all of you. So, today we will learn about the world of animals, how animals live, how they eat, what they eat, how they live, where do they live. So, let's learn about them. But before we move to that, let's do a riddle time. These are the riddles for you. I am big. I have big ears. I have two long tusks. Who am I? What is the animal that has tusks? Yes, you are right. Elephant. The next one is I am pet. I'm a pet animal. I like bones. I am human's best friend. I think अभी तक तो आपने guess कर ही लिया होगा. Yes, a dog. A dog is human's best friend. So let's first understand what animals are. What are animals? Animals are first of all living things. They are also living beings. They also eat, they also drink, they also have feelings like humans. They are the ones that can also feel. If you will hurt them, they can feel that. If you will love them, they can feel that. So now let's learn about the different habitats of animals and what animals live where. So these are the hard words that you will go through when you will read the chapter. Whenever you will be, read the chapter, you should always read out the hard words first so that it becomes easy for you to read and understand the chapter. So these are few hard words that might come and that you need to understand the spellings of these. So let's come to the land animals. Simple, the animals that live on land are land animals. जो animals land पे रहते हैं, जो animals जमीन पे रहते हैं, they are land animals. जो land पे रहना पसंद करते हैं, उनको हम land animals कहते हैं. For example, a dog, horse, rabbit, or rhinoceros, or lion and tiger also, they are also land animals. So animals that like to live on land are called land animals. So, like if we understand this in question form, what are land animals? Animals that live on land are called land animals. Name and draw any two land animals. So, land animals are cat, dog, and horse that I just told you. Now, let's come to water animals. Do you know what? We also call them aquatic animals. We call them aquatic animals. Water animals and aquatic animals. They are almost same. So, water animals are the ones that live in water. They are the ones that live in water, they breathe in water, they eat in water. So they are called water animals और उनको हम क्या कहते हैं aquatic animals. Aquatic means aqua means water and animals. Aquatic. Aqua means aquatic, animals means water animals. So let's learn about some of the examples. Dolphin, the beautiful friendly fish. The dolphin, then the starfish, octopus, and fishes. They are the examples of the water or aquatic animals. So again, this is the form of question answer that you can attempt. Now comes the animals that have special quality. They can live in water, they can live on land. They can live both on land and in water, like a crab, frog, tortoise, and crocodile. They all can live in water also and they can live near the water also. Now come the animals which are wild, the ones that live in jungle. They are called wild animals. The animals that live in jungles, they are called wild animals, like a snake, tiger, elephant, giraffe, camel. All these are wild animals. They usually live in jungles. Now, these are the examples of Wild animals like tiger, lion, giraffe, deer, elephant, snake, fox, and wolf. All these are the examples of wild animals. Now come very interesting thing. Some animals are called domestic animals. What are domestic animals? The animals that help us. We tame them. Tame means उनको हम सिखाते हैं, उनको हम ट्रेन कर सकते हैं कि वो हमारे लिए यूजफुल बन जाए, वो हमें हेल्प करे. Like a horse, a cow, and a sheep. All these animals are domestic animals because they are useful to human beings. So the animals that are useful to human beings are called domestic animals. Now comes the birds. Birds are the animals that have wings, feathers, and a beak. Wings क्या होता है जिससे वो fly कर सकते हैं. Feathers are the ones that keep them warm, and their tail also have feathers. Then a beak. A beak help a bird to eat. A beak help the bird to eat their food. And what are birds? Example of birds are crow, sparrow, pigeon. All these are birds. Now what are insects? जो छोटे छोटे टाइनी क्रिएचर्स हमें दिखते हैं ना, जिनकी 6 legs होती है, इनकी स्पेशल क्वालिटी क्या है? दे हैव 6 legs, like a cockroach, a housefly, bugs. All these are animals that are called insect because they have 6 legs. Sometimes some insects also have 8 legs, like a spider. A spider has 8 legs. Now, food of animals. Look at this chart very carefully. You must have observed that animals can be plant eaters, flesh eaters, or both. Plant and flesh eaters means they can eat plants only. Some animals eat only plants like elephant, cow, deer, rabbit. All of them are plant eaters. Then comes the flesh eaters, the animals that like to eat flesh of other animals like lion, tiger, wolf. All of them are flesh eaters. Then comes the animals that eat both plants and flesh. They also like to eat plants, they also like to eat flesh, like bear and crow. Now, what is flesh? Flesh means the meat of the skin of other animals. Alright. For example, plant eaters, elephant. Elephant likes to eat what? The elephant likes to eat sugar cane. Cow likes to eat grass. So these are plant eaters. Eaters are the ones like lion. Likes to eat deer. So they are flesh eater. They eat different animals. Now, bear and crow, they are the ones that like to eat plant and flesh both. अब बेयर को आपने देखा होगा ना, वो शुगर केन भी खा सकता है और वो फिश भी खाता है. सिमिलरली क्रो, क्रो को हम चपाती भी देते हैं ना चपाती, और उसको हम वो इंसेक्ट वॉर्म्स भी खाता है. सो हुए ना बोथ both plant and flesh eaters. So I hope this is clear to you all. Now let's come to the next thing, which is animals that like to eat insect. Bat and frog. Bat and frog are the animals that like to eat insect. All right. Now, we all know that animals are very useful to us. They all are very useful to us. Like milk. Look at this. Milk. Cow and buffalo give us milk. Cow and buffalo give us milk. Eggs. We get eggs from duck and hen. नाउ फ्लैश. फ्लैश चाहे हम खाए चाहे एनिमल्स खाएं, ह्यूमन बींग्स भी खाते हैं ना फ्लैश, तो वो किससे मिलता है हमें? हैन, गोट या फिश. कई लोग पिग भी खाते हैं. तो वी गेट फ्लैश फ्रॉम ऑल दीज एनिमल्स. so these are flesh giving animals. Now comes honey. Honey, we get honey from honeybee. We get honey from honeybee. So we get honeybee. Honeybee give us honey. We get honey from honeybee. Silkworm. What is silkworm and what is silk? Silk is the thing that we use to make sari and dresses. And from where do we get silk? We get it from silkworm. We get it from silkworm. एक छोटा सा worm होता है जो हमें क्या देता है? हमें देता है silk. एक छोटा सा ऐसे कलर के worm होता है जो हमें silk देता है. जब वो grow करता है तो साथ में silk छोड़ता है. So this is a silkworm that give us silk. Now comes wool. Wool से क्या बनाते हैं हम? स्वेटर्स बनाते हैं ना. तो वो हमें कौन देता है? sheep. Sheep and yak. They give us wool. They give us wool. All right. So I hope it is all clear to you now and you must have liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Look at the video again and again so that you can revise it again and again. And it is very simple explanation. You will love to see at it again and again. Thank you so much for watching.